Hey, that thing works.
Oh, $15.99. Don't be sleeping like hangs, boy.
Don't stop.
Catch him with that. Oh, baby.
It's pretty bright.
It's supposed to be really good for you. Just like how the caveman would wake up or something. It's au naturel.
You don't have to say or something.
What?
Be confident, man. Back yourself. Say, kinda like the caveman would wake up.
That's what I said.
No, you said or something.
I said cavemen.
What?
What are you trying to say?
Something. Nothing. Just forget about it. Just forget about it. Turn that thing off. We gotta get rolling.
Yeah.
Redder, did you turn that up?
No.
Why isn't it off yet?
I got it.
Dude, we gotta roll.
It's just like the thing.
Turn it off.
I'm trying.
Turn it off.
I'm trying.
Turn it off.
Stop yelling at me.
Unplug it.
There's no cord here.
Right. Turn it off.
I'm trying.
Go!